Hello guys. Today we are discussing about key influences visual in Power BI. Here I have a data of price per unit, unit sold and total sales. So I go to report view and here there is a key influences visual is there. So I click on that one. So I can drag this to increase the size so that our metrics will show better. So I go to total sales here. So I am dragging this in analyze column. And after that, I have a unit sold is there. So I am dragging this into explain by field. And also price per unit I am dragging this into explain by region. See how the visual is coming. So we have a increase or decrease. So this we can automatically change so that I am now selecting increase. Suppose if you want to explain by, so you can change to metrics like average so that average number of units sold, so the price how it is behaving. So I am clicking this one so that it will be showing all this one. Sum of price per unit goes up. Suppose if you want to change sum of price also, you can change to average. See how the average price per unit increases, total sales also increases. This is how the key influences the data will be showing. So this is how key influences visual works in Power BI. Please subscribe channel for more videos.